Dear students, we are studying the topic classical method of analysis, and from that we have started the precipitation gravimetry. During the precipitation there are different steps are involved, and in this lecture we are going to study what is the role of digestion and role of filtration during the formation of precipitate. So, what is the role of digestion, or what is the meaning of digestion, and why we are going to do the filtration during the formation of this precipitate? We will study here. So, the point is aging or digestion or Ostwald ripening. Now, see here what happens when precipitation is carried out from a hot dilute solution. The primary precipitate obtained is in crystalline form. So during the precipitation in a hot dilute solution, whatever the precipitate obtained is a crystalline in form. But when precipitate is carried out from concentrated solution, the crystals obtained have imperfect structure and the size of the primary precipitate varies. So during this precipitation formation from the concentrated solution, the crystals which are obtained, they have imperfect structure and the size of that precipitate varies. So therefore the crystalline precipitates are generally more easily filterable and pure than coagulated colloids. So during this precipitation formation, the precipitate are in crystalline form or in the colloidal form. So the crystalline precipitates are easily filterable, but the colloids, that is coagulated colloids which are formed, they are not easily filterable. The colloids are best precipitate from hot stirred solution containing electrolytes to ensure coagulation. The ease of filtration of this coagulated colloid improves if it is allowed to stand for an hour or more in contact with the hot solution from which it is formed in order to get precipitation of uniform and large size. So during this precipitation, if the precipitate formed is in the form of a coagulated colloid, then the ease of filtration is not easy. To make the filtration easy, we have to allow the precipitate which is formed to stand for an hour in a beaker, and which the solution in the beaker must be in hot condition. So during the digestion, the smaller particles dissolve and the solution becomes saturated with large particles. So what we do here during the digestion means during the process of precipitate formation in the beaker, in a mother liquor, the precipitate is heated to the hot condition. So during this process, the smaller particles are get dissolved and they becomes large particles. So these dissolved particles are get redeposited on the large particle, and therefore this increases the average particle size. So this process is known as a digestion or aging or Ostwald's ripening. So the process of digestion is nothing but formation of a large particle which have a large particle size. The large particles grow at the expense of smaller particles. The co-precipitate impurities adsorbed on these particles pass into the solution. As the particles have large size, the surface area decreases, and hence the concentration of co-precipitate impurities adsorbed on the primary precipitate also decreases. So during this digestion, the co-precipitation is get removed because the smaller particles are get adsorbed on the larger particles. The occluded impurities are also exposed to the solution during digestion, and they pass into the solution as dissolving action not only takes place for smaller particles but also to improve the irregularities on the surface of large particles. So the most important role of this digestion during the precipitation is to remove the impurities and to make a larger particle. During this digestion, smaller particles are dissolved and they are get redeposited and they forms large particles. So therefore this process of digestion or aging helps to give particles of uniform size, get the precipitate of perfect crystal structure, reduce contamination, or increase the purity by removing co-precipitation, and ensure the complete precipitation and bring about the coagulation of precipitate. So due to this digestion, we get, that is, particles of uniform size, they have perfect crystalline structure, less impurities, or the impurities get removed, and there is a complete precipitation because of this digestion. So this is what the role of digestion. So during the precipitation, every time we are doing the digestion process. The second process is the filtration of the precipitate during the formation of precipitate. Why we do filtration? Now see here, this operation is nothing but the separation of precipitate from a mother liquor. The main objective of this is to obtain the precipitate free from the solution. Filtration is carried out using filter papers, that is, we know that we have an ordinary filter papers, Whatman filter papers, and we also do the filtration by using a sintered glass crucibles. So the main objective of the filtration is to separate the precipitate from a mother liquor. When filter papers are employed, they must have a very small ash content. This is achieved during the manufacturing process. Means what we are going to select a paper, that is filter paper for the filtration, it must have a very small ash. We are using a Whatman paper number 41, 42. So we are using different Whatman papers for the filtration. So these filter papers are made up of various degree of porosity. The filter papers should be such that they retain the smallest particle yet allow fast filtration. So three textures of filter papers are generally made: one of the fine particle, second for average precipitate of medium sized particle, and third for gelatinous particles. So depending upon the form of precipitate formed, we are using different filter papers. The precipitate collected on the filter paper is further dyed and ignited to a constant weight. When the precipitate formed is stable, filtration is carried out by counterpoise method or by using a sintered glass crucible. So these sintered glass crucibles are made up of a resistant glass, have a porous disc of sintered ground glass fused at the bottom of the crucible. So this filtration by using a glass crucible is carried out by connecting to water filter pump or by using a vacuum pump. So this filtration process is only the separation of precipitate from other liquor. So depending upon the form of precipitate formed, we are using different filter papers, and these filter papers have different porosity. So this is a role of filtration. So initially, during the formation of precipitation, initially we are going to do the digestion process, and after the formation of precipitate, we are going to do the filtration with filter papers. So this is the role of digestion. In the next lecture, we will study the role of washing, the role of drying, and the role of ignition of the precipitate which was formed during this precipitation.